In today's video, we're working on this brand new 2021 Ford Nugget and we're installing a factory style reversing camera into it. Good morning guys, hope you're all keeping well. Today we're working on a brand new 2021 Ford Nugget. Really random, really weird name, but it is the Ford equivalent of the Volkswagen Transporter California, where it's got a conversion inside, pop top, awning, all the bells and whistles, and it's meant to be taking on the transporter type market. So it's quite big. We parked it as far forward as we normally do and we still can't get the rear open, so we're gonna have to rethink how we're gonna do that. So what we're doing on this vehicle is, hopefully you can see it up there, is we are going to be installing a factory style reversing camera into the system. Just having a look at the pod system that this vehicle has, it's quite different. So yeah, we're going to be installing a reversing camera into the vehicle, factory style. Let me just get into this bad boy here. Now this is called the Sync 3. We have got some specific software like VCDS, or the Ford equivalent of VCDS, which is called 4Scan, and we're going to be able to program this head unit so that you can have the reversing camera all in here as if it was there from factory. So I just wanted to show you the befores. Go into reverse, you get parking sensors, and that's it, no camera. Richard's currently starting the deinstall of the vehicle so that we can start running all our wiring through to the vehicle, to the rear of the back of the vehicle, sorry, fit the camera, and we should be good to go. So what we'll do is, once it's all in and fitted and working, I will show you how it all works. Okay guys, the install is done. We've fitted the camera, we've done the coding with the 4Scan tool, and this is where we're at. So we've changed the rear brake light, that was just normal, for a version that's got a camera in it, and it's got a pivotable lens here. So we've pushed it out as far out as it can go, and when I'm stood probably about 30 centimeters, because of the shape of the body of the vehicle, the camera, and I'll show you in a second, you can only really see past this. You can't see the bumper because of how angled or curved the rear of the tailgate is. But yeah, it's a nice, neat OEM looking reversing camera that will give you a great view of the back. So I'm just going to jump in now. Bear in mind that we are in a workshop, LED lighting, and we've not got much going on around here. So I'm just going to jump in. Grab the keys. Just drop it into ignition and wait for the sync system to fire up. So remember I said before, you have to have the Sync 3 for this system to be able to be installed and activated this way. So it's all the newer sort of based vehicles. But if you have the Sync 2 or the 2.5, then there is another option for your vehicle, because all of the Ford Nuggets have the Sync 3, but if you've got an older vehicle, an older Transit or something like that, then there's different kit basically. So what we're going to do, just pop it into reverse, and there you go. We get a live view of the back of the vehicle. Sorry, you'll probably see the refresh rate on the screen. And we've retained our parkings because we've done it the genuine way of activating. It gives you all the normal sort of Ford stuff. So check your surroundings, not that that's that useful. And then your parking sensors front and rear. So that's really cool when you activate it this way. Where I was mentioning earlier about how you see what you can see, where I put my feet just in front of here, so it lined up with the rear wiper blade, and that was about 30 centimeters away from the back of the vehicle. So that's a great indicator for you in your vehicle. So Ford Nugget 2021, all upgraded with the factory style aftermarket reversing camera. We've coded it and activated it using the Ford system, and yeah, great bit of kit, looks really good, well chuffed with it, and hopefully we'll do more.